car industry loves playing it safe. But what if you crave something different, something exciting? This year, some seriously unexpected vehicles are hitting the streets, offering groundbreaking features and experiences that will redefine how you drive. From self-driving capabilities to mind-blowing comfort tech, these new rides will change how we travel forever. Curious to see what's coming down the road? In this video, we will showcase 3 newcomer vehicles guaranteed to steal your heart and maybe even your garage space. So stay tuned to find out the number 1, because that may blow your mind away. And please hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. In 1995, Toyota introduced the Tacoma to the American market, bidding farewell to the Hilux in the States. Now, if you think the 2024 Tacoma is just a revamped Hilux for the American audience, let's clear the air. The truth is, the new Tacoma isn't simply a modified Hilux for the US market. Allow me to elaborate. Firstly, let's talk about the foundation, the platform. The 2024 Tacoma is built on the same TNGF platform seen in the current Tundra, Sequoia, and the new Lexus LX. It's a sturdy steel frame, leading to a longer wheelbase, about 4 inches longer than before. The new Tacoma should feel lighter and offer a better ride quality than its predecessors. On the other hand, the recent Hilux was built on the IMV body-on-frame platform used in the Toyota Fortuner, another SUV marketed overseas. However, the latest generation of the Hilux is based on the same TNGF platform as the new Tacoma, primarily to accommodate upcoming hybrid powertrains expected in 2025. Historically, the primary contrast between the Hilux and Tacoma is their usage. The Hilux is more of a workhorse, designed to tackle extreme conditions in places like deserts in the Middle East, South Africa, and Southeast Asia. It boasts a powerful yet fuel-efficient turbo diesel engine with a more significant displacement of 2.8 liters, delivering 200 horsepower and 370 lb-ft of torque from just 1,600 revolutions per minute. Conversely, while the Tacoma can handle off-roading and work tasks, it's more of a lifestyle truck for Americans. The Tacoma is more comprehensive than its Hilux counterpart, indicating its design for American roads. Now, let's get into the powertrains of the new Tacoma. In the 2024 model, Toyota bid farewell to the V6 engine, introducing a 2.4-liter turbocharged inline-4 paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This setup delivers up to 278 horsepower and 317 lb-ft of torque for the base model, surpassing the power output of the 2024 Ford Ranger or Chevy Colorado base models. A hybrid version of the Tacoma will also be available, boasting 326 horsepower and 465 lb-ft of torque. This hybrid version rivals the Ford Ranger Raptor in power output. As for off-roading capabilities, the hybrid Tacoma, based on a 48-volt system, offers a safer option for water crossings than its gas-powered predecessors. Toyota offers 8 trims for the new Tacoma, including the revived TRD Pre-Runner model and the Trail Hunter, catering to adventurous American drivers seeking off-road capabilities. Furthermore, Toyota has incorporated some fun Easter eggs into the new Tacoma, such as the hidden Taco Mountains on the windshield and stamped coordinates to Mount Rainier on the truck's body. Overall, the 2024 Tacoma is not just a reworked Hilux for the American market. It's a carefully crafted truck designed to cater to the lifestyle and preferences of American drivers while still retaining its rugged capabilities and innovative features. Next, we have the Mazda CX-50 on our list. But let's first compare Mazda CX-50 and CX-5, 2 compact crossovers with distinct features and purposes. Despite their similar names, they serve different segments of drivers. The CX-50, geared towards adventure enthusiasts, offers a rugged off-road feel and comes packed with advanced features, albeit at a higher price point. In contrast, the CX-5 caters to everyday drivers seeking comfort and practicality on smooth roads. Size-wise, the 2024 Mazda CX-50 surpasses the CX-5 in width and length, though it's slightly shorter. It translates to a noticeable difference in driving experience, especially given the CX-50's longer wheelbase. Under the hood, the CX-50 and CX-5 boast a standard 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, delivering 187 horsepower. They share a towing capacity of up to 2,000 pounds and offer a 6-speed automatic transmission and I-Active all-wheel drive. While there's a minor disparity in torque output between the 2 models, the turbocharged option provides a significant power boost. The turbocharged CX-50 delivers 250 horsepower and 320 lb-ft of torque, with an ultimately increased towing capacity of 3,500 pounds. Similarly, the turbocharged CX-5 offers up to 227 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque. Regarding fuel efficiency, the CX-5 holds an advantage, achieving 26 mpg in the city and 31 mpg on the highway, compared to the CX-50's 24 mpg in the city and 30 mpg on the highway. Externally, the 2024 Mazda CX-50 stands out as one of the most extended vehicles in its segment, boasting a longer wheelbase for enhanced stability. However, its relatively low height may appeal less to those seeking a more commanding presence on the road. Both the CX-50 and CX-5 benefit from Mazda's SkyActiv technology, focusing on maximizing fuel efficiency and engine output. This technology enhances performance and ensures a refined driving experience. Regarding fuel efficiency, the RAV4 Hybrid XLE trim outshines both, offering 41 mpg in the city and 38 mpg on the highway. The RAV4 competes closely with the 2024 Honda CR-V, available in gas or hybrid versions. The gas-powered CR-V LX trim achieves 28 mpg in the city and 34 mpg on the highway, while the hybrid CR-V Sport Hybrid provides an impressive 43 mpg in the city and 36 mpg on the highway. In terms of pricing, the Mazda CX-50 starts at $30,300, making it pricier than competitors like the Toyota RAV4. Even the Hyundai Tucson, with a starting price of $27,200, is cheaper than the CX-50. However, despite its higher initial cost, the CX-50 has historically retained its value well, as seen with the 2023 model. Speaking of the previous model, the 2023 CX-50 received high ratings for its driving experience, scoring an impressive 88 out of 100. This places Mazda ahead of other brands like Nissan, Toyota, Honda, and Hyundai. Regarding driving satisfaction, it's anticipated that the 2024 CX-50 will maintain this level of excellence. Mazda has hinted at possibly introducing a future hybrid version of the CX-50, while a hybrid CX-50 has already been launched in China. Utilizing Toyota's hybrid technology, its availability in the US remains uncertain. Rumors suggest that Mazda may borrow Toyota's 2.0-liter hybrid engine for the US market, given their partnership at the Mazda-Toyota joint manufacturing plant in Alabama. However, Mazda's commitment to SkyActiv technology leaves room for speculation about the hybrid powertrain choice. Until an official release date is announced, pricing and trim levels for the hybrid CX-50 in the US are purely speculative. If and when it becomes available, it's expected to be priced higher than the turbo versions of the CX-50, possibly introducing additional trim levels to the lineup. Now, on number 1, we have the Toyota Corolla Cross. The Toyota Corolla Cross is a relatively new addition to the compact crossover segment, sharing its TNC platform with the Corolla sedan. It occupies a size between the CHR and RAV4, offering a unique blend of features and capabilities. Let's delve into its differences from the Corolla sedan, its competition in the market, and what to expect from the upcoming 2024 Corolla Cross. Introduced in 2022, the Corolla Cross derives its name from Toyota's renowned compact sedan, the Corolla. It shares many interior features and styling cues with the sedan, but distinguishes itself in performance and utility. While the standard Corolla offers 2 engine options, including a high-performance variant, the Corolla Cross comes with a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, producing 169 horsepower, or a 5th-generation Toyota hybrid system, generating 196 horsepower. In terms of fuel efficiency, the standard Corolla surpasses the Cross, offering up to 34 mpg combined compared to the Cross's 32 mpg. However, the Cross excels in towing capacity, capable of towing up to 1,500 pounds, whereas the sedan isn't rated for towing. Additionally, the Cross provides higher ground clearance, making it more suitable for light off-roading. Both vehicles accommodate 5 passengers, but the Cross offers more interior space, with a total passenger volume of 95 cubic feet, compared to the sedan's 88.6 cubic feet. Furthermore, the Cross boasts superior cargo capacity, with 21.5 cubic feet of space expandable to 66.8 cubic feet with the rear seats folded, outmatching both the sedan and hatchback versions. All Corolla variants perform well in terms of safety, earning the IIHS Top Safety Pick Award For the 2023 model year, the Corolla Cross is equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, featuring advanced safety technologies. When it comes to pricing, the Corolla sedan is the most affordable, starting at $21,700 for the base model, followed by the hatchback at $23,550, and the Cross at $23,715 for the XLE trim. The hybrid versions of each model come at a higher price but remain competitive within their respective segments. The choice between the Corolla sedan, hatchback, and crossover depends on individual preferences and needs. While the sedan excels in fuel efficiency and affordability, the Cross offers more space, towing capability, and off-road potential. However, it's essential to note that neither vehicle is designed for extreme off-roading. The Corolla Cross is assembled in Huntsville, Alabama, at the Mazda Toyota manufacturing plant, a joint venture between Toyota and Mazda. This plant produces both the Corolla Cross and Mazda CX-50, showcasing the collaboration between the two automakers. Looking ahead, Toyota aims to introduce the 2024 Corolla Cross with both traditional gasoline and hybrid powertrain options, further solidifying its position in the competitive compact crossover segment. Which vehicle won your heart and mind? Share with us, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.